How to send crypto from Coinbase to Tangem. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to securely transfer cryptocurrency from your Coinbase wallet to your Tangem wallet. Whether you are looking to enhance the security of your assets or diversify your storage options, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Ensure your Tangem wallet is set up and ready for use. Download the Tangem app from the App Store or Google Play. Follow the app's instructions to create your wallet and secure it with a PIN code. Note down your wallet address, as you will need it for the transfer. Log into your Coinbase account. Navigate to the Assets tab to view your available cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer to your Tangem wallet. Click on the Send button. Into the field, paste your Tangem wallet address that you copied earlier. Enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to send. Double-check the wallet address to avoid sending funds to the wrong destination. Review any transaction fees associated with the transfer. Confirm that the details are correct before proceeding. Click on the Send button to initiate the transaction. You might need to verify the transaction via email or through two-factor authentication. Wait for the transaction to process. This can take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Open your Tangem app. Check the balance to ensure that the cryptocurrency has successfully arrived. If the balance does not update, consider refreshing the app or checking the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. Transferring crypto from Coinbase to Tangem is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Make sure to keep your wallet details secure and always verify transaction details before sending. Happy trading! And consider exploring more about cryptocurrency security and management in the future.